Déjame entrar como antes, cuando tú y yo éramos amantes. Baby, yo no estoy para extrañarte, que tú has dado un giro intenso.
I'm gonna start by combing my hair first. You start from the bottom all the way to the top. I'm just gonna comb my hair all the way down, just like that. Now I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna brush my hair. So I like to take out hair from the side, just like that. I don't take a lot out. I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then I'm gonna take some water. So I take a little bit of water and I put some water on the side, on the front, and on the back. And I put water first before applying the gel. So for gel, I'm gonna take this. This is my favorite gel. I love it so much. This is the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel, and this is the Extra Hold. Taking this amount of gel, and I like to put a little bit of gel on the end of my hair as well. And I take the brush and I brush my hair. And then I'm gonna take my ponytail. I don't take all of my hair out. I just leave it like this, and then I like to open it as well. So just like this. Just style your hair as you wanted it to be styled. I just doing it the way that I like to do it. If you want to follow like the sad way that I do it, feel free to do so. And then I'm gonna get some bobby pins and I'm gonna clip on this side of my hair, and I'm gonna clip on the other side as well. The hairs that are out, I'm just gonna take a little bit of water. I'm just gonna wet it just a little bit, just so the hair doesn't come out. Now that I am done with my ponytail, I'm gonna move on to the front part. I'm gonna take my baby hairs out. I don't have a lot of baby hairs, but I'm just gonna take the one that I have, some few that I have. I'm gonna take this small brush and I'm just gonna move my baby hair out. So I'm gonna take the gel, the same gel. So I'm taking my flat iron and I'm just gonna flat iron this part. And that is it, you guys. This is how I do my everyday hairstyle. High bun. Hope you guys like it.